Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, guys, this is the first time I've ever done this with this brand, but I bought my first ever Huda Beauty mystery box. You guys want to see what I got in here? Is it worth the $90? Well, definitely keep on watching. Okay, so first things first, packaging on this, super cute. And when I bought this, it came out last week. It shipped out so fast. I was like, holy crap. And then it got here within 2 days of shipping. I was like, my gosh, that's so quick. But I currently don't own anything from Huda Beauty. The only thing I have is the Desert Rose palette and like the newest one that came in, the Ipsy Glam Bag X. Those are two things I own from Huda Beauty. Otherwise, I don't own jack shit from this brand. I feel like this brand is so luxurious, so like expensive and bougie that I can't afford it, that I'm like, oh my God. So when I saw they're having a mystery bag sale, there's like two different versions, I was like, bitch, I have to get it. So I got the large mystery bag. So it retailed for $89. It's supposed to be 7 full-size items in here. So we'll see if it's definitely worth the buy. I mean, I think this is like a palette alone. So I'm excited. Okay, so first thing that's in here is Allie. Oh my God, that's not how I spell my name, but are you giving me something? Did you make something for me, Huda? Could you imagine? Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. It's little perfume samples. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Okay, okay. Ooh, it smells like an old lady. Oh God, that smells like an old lady. This is red apple. This is the Elixir 2. It smells like an old lady. Has red apple, rose, D-Mom, absolute, jasmine, sambac, absolute, vanilla, poutine. Oh, patchouli. It smells like an old lady. I remember when back in the day, I used to do, not Scentbird, Lux Scent Box, whatever. Don't care for that brand. But I used to do like an unboxing for them. And I remember they would be like, oh, there's perfume connoisseurs. I'm like, I'm sorry, what? And they'd be like, oh, they know how to smell the note, the undertone, the middle, and the high note. I'm like, how? I just smell perfume. How do you... This smells like vanilla. Oh. There's the hint of that patchouli. Like, what the fuck does patchouli even smell like? I don't know. I just know that smells like an old lady. Okay, so next there's a Citrus 08. Now I'm just really curious. Ooh, that smells really nice and fruity. That smells divine. Ooh. Oh, I smell like an old lady all day. Okay, then we have Musk. Ooh. Ooh, that kind of smells like a sensual man. Ooh. Ooh, it smells really good. Okay, and last but not least, we have Vanilla 28. Ooh, that smells straight up like vanilla. Okay. Okay, Huda Beauty making me my own perfume samples. How did you guys know? That's the sweetest thing ever. Okay, so here we have the mystery bag. I'm so excited. Oh my God. Okay, so first off, this lunch bag is so freaking cute. I love the holographic shift. It is such a pretty makeup bag with like the white and the rose gold embroidering on the you know, this thingies. And it has a little Huda Beauty written on here. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, I don't even know what we're getting. I'm just we hope you love our mystery bundle, gorgeous, because we hope you found. Okay, y'all, who wrote this? We hope you love our mystery bundle, gorgeous, because we hope you found some new favorites you'll want to stock up on. Use code favorites for 15% off your next purchase. Oh, guys. Okay, so first things first. We got an air freshener for your car. Yay. So glad I spent $90 getting an air freshener. You smell like expired candy. Ugh, gross. Okay, so we have a Huda Beauty, the Basic Bee Straight Edge Sponge Applicator. I actually do have this. I forgot I have this sponge. somewhere. Huda? Sponge? Spongy? Hello? Somewhere, or maybe it got thrown away. Well, this is actually a fantastic sponge. I really do enjoy this sponge so much. So I think it's like a $20 sponge too. So that's really cool. Next, we have a Huda Beauty Summer Highlight Palette. Ooh. Oh my God, this packaging is freaking gorgeous. I love how they have that shift right there in our, bitch, that is stunning. And when you open it up, whoa, these are colors that I definitely could not use as a highlight. I mean, they're really, really pretty, but I'm not really into the greens, the purples, and the pinks. Maybe the Malibu shade would be the most wearable shade, but that is really pretty nonetheless. Oh, wow, okay. Oh, that's a really big bummer. I just can't get into the shades like these. Just not really realistic for me, especially since like I like to have a very simple light highlight because I'm so oily that my natural oils will actually do the highlight for me. So there's lots of times where I don't even wear a highlight because I'm like, oh, bitch, I'll get that glow any day. Like I'm wearing some right now. I'm actually wearing the Cookie Highlighter from Benefit Cosmetics, but I know that I only put it on very, very lightly because I know that my natural oils will shine through. So there's like literally no point in me legit putting on so much highlight. Okay, so next we have the Wishful Honey Balm Gel Moisturizer. What? This is gentle, simple, and effective. This is lavender, honey, niacinamide, and turmeric. This is really cool. I've never tried anything from their skincare brand before. Ooh, cute packaging. Has a very light fragrance, not too heavily scented. Looks like a little bit of a nipple. That's really cool. I'm excited to give this a go. It has honey, lavender, niacinamide, and turmeric. Okay. Okay. Stop. 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 Shit. What? I don't have this palette. I never bought it. Guys, we got the Mercury Retrograde palette from Huda Beauty. I don't own this. I was staring at it so long last year and I almost got it and I never bit the bullet. Or I guess 2019. I guess I still think it's 2020. But I was staring at this for so long. I almost came close to getting this so often. Every time I go to Sephora, I go and stare at this because I think it's so pretty. I watched Teresa's review on it and I think that's why I was like, oh, I'm going to pass. But guys, it's here. Oh my God, this is so freaking cool. Like I said, I don't own this. I'm so excited to play along with this palette. These shimmers like Galaxy. Galaxy's gorgeous. Oh my God. Let's swatch that. Oh, bitch. Look how that just glided on. Stunning. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is freaking awesome. That just made my day. That just was so freaking cool. That makes me so excited. I know I'm so excited to get excited. I know it's so silly to get excited over a palette, but I don't have this palette and I never jumped the gun on getting it. And I'm so excited that it's in here. That makes me so freaking happy, guys. Okay, so next we have a Huda Beauty. This is the Life Liner Duo Eyeliner Pencil in Liquid. I may or may not keep it. The only reason why I may keep it is just for the eyeliner side. But when it comes to liquid side, I'm like, because I just don't do liquid liners. So that is actually really freaking cool. Next, we have a Diamond Balm Sparkly Lip Balm in Najili? Oh, I don't know, but this is pretty. Oh, holy shit. What the fuck is this? Oh my God, this is breathtakingly beautiful. Bitch. Oh my God. This is oh my God. Sparkly ass lip balm, Lositas Lopitas. My gosh. This is freaking gorgeous. Holy crap. Now, I may not wear this by itself. I may put this on top of something because by itself, I probably look like zoom, zoom, zoom. Make my heart go like. Oh my God, that's actually so freaking pretty. You guys have no idea. Like, this is like, the camera's not doing this justice. This is stunning. Wow. Okay. Wow. Oh my God, this is awesome. Okay, last but not least, we do have a lip strobe. Seems to be a purple shade right here. And I have not tried their lip strobes before. This is in the shade Moody. Oh my God, it's like it knows. Let's take a swatch of you. Ooh. You're a real ugly ass color. Oh my God, you are ugly. And you smell like the old lady perfume. This is definitely not a pretty shade whatsoever, but I mean, I guess I can utilize this for like Halloween and whatnot, and probably like these two can go together. But overall, I think this bag is absolutely fantastic. Not only did I get the highlighter kit, I got the Mercury Retrograde palette, which I've always freaking wanted. I got this awesome sponge. I got this really ugly ass lip color, but I could care less because I'm so happy with everything else. I got this beautiful lip balm, freaking gorgeous, a lip liner, and I got one skincare product. Plus I got this awesome ass makeup bag right here, so beautiful. And then I got this really stupid air freshener that no one will use. Like that's gonna go like away. But this is freaking awesome. I paid $90 for this, and this is well worth the $90. This exceeds the value of what I paid for, and I'm so freaking happy. This is so cool. I definitely hope they do more stuff like this. I looked on the website. I don't see it on there. It could still be available. If it is, I'll list it down below. But this was definitely awesome, and I'm so glad I got my hands on it because it was so worth it. I really hope more brands do this. I think it's so fun. Now, granted, you guys may have already had these items, so they may be repeat items, but since I don't really own anything from the brand, this was definitely like all new to me. So this is so cool. So yeah, guys, that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 3 to 4, mostly 5 times a week. Please make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's R for the Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey. And a huge, huge, huge thank you to all these beautiful Patreon members that you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for allowing me to live my dream and try to do this full time. I appreciate you guys so much. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbed down this video, you guys subscribed, didn't subscribe, unsubscribed, either way, I appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye.